Maritime supply chain tracking platform. The eyes of the world's oceans. OceanLook.
You can easily check real-time global maritime logistics information on the map. When you open the left tab, you can search for vessels and ports. View voyage information by vessel. Set filters for what to display on the map. And even access the list of vessels you're managing under the My Vessel tab. When you open the left tab and search for a vessel name, you can instantly check the vessel's current location and voyage schedule. In addition to the vessel name, you can also search using MMSI or IMO numbers. Frequently tracked vessels can be registered under My Vessel for easier management. In the My Vessel tab, you can view the status of all the vessels you've registered at a glance. When you click on a specific vessel, more detailed information becomes available. You can check the vessel's port events, as well as its past and future tracks. Past tracks can be viewed from 7 days up to 60 days, and can be easily cleared using the Clear button. For future tracks, you can set the destination port and click the Calculate button. You can also add waypoints and choose to avoid Suez and Panama Canal passages if needed.
Maritime supply chain tracking platform. The eyes of the world's oceans. OceanLook.